Hey guys, it's Sandy from Slime's Boardstore Aaron here. I've been riding the El Tomo demo board lately. It's the weirdest, most radical, futuristic design I've ridden. The El Tomo features a performance fish outline spliced with the trademark Tomo multi-concave hull design, which results in smooth, speedy transitions in between turns. This board is super rippable in small, summery waves. I've been having a blast on it lately. I've been surfing it heaps. With the quad setup and the flatness through the nose, it allows it to still go super fast in small conditions, but also allows it to drive through big turns in big conditions. I highly recommend coming in, trying one out. Its futuristic design is super cool, and yeah, once you're on it, you'll love it.